Ashley and welcome to my channel. If you've been following along thus far, we were doing quick and easy Christmas treats. Now we're doing quick and easy Christmas gifts that are actually kind of useful. So today we're doing apple cider seasoning mix. This is a dry mix. You can mix it into apple juice, cranberry juice, wine. You can sprinkle it on cookies or maybe blondies, anything that would taste good with, like, you know, a cinnamony, snickerdoodly flavor. Okay, so what we have is a cup and a half of sugar. This is a 16-ounce mason jar. Then we have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, a half tablespoon of nutmeg, and a half tablespoon of ground cloves. So we're going to mix this all together. This is one of my favorite mixtures. And the smell, oh, it's like a perfect air freshener. I love Christmas spices. We're just going to mix it up a little bit. You might have some chunks. Sometimes the cinnamon gets a little chunky because it's dry, and you just want to kind of get all of it out of there. You want to have like a nice, even mixture of spices through this. Okay. Looks pretty good to me. Okay. A couple more little lumps in there. Now I think we look good. Yes. Now we're looking good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay. I guess I'm going to spoon this because I'm dangerous. So we're going to spoon this mixture into the jar. I probably could have used a funnel, but me pouring this bowl into the funnel would be just, no. There would be mix all over my floor. I just know it. So, whoop. If you're good with a funnel, knock yourself out. I have to think safely because I'm a disaster. Okay. See a chunk there. We're going to water scoop it. Okay. See how pretty that is? It's like sand art. Put that down. I'm not pouring this. I'm not that stupid. I'm just going to scoop it nicely into the jar. Okay. You can use smaller mason jars if you want. As a gift, I like to kind of give them like the bigger jar. I mean, considering it's just like spices and sugar, why not give the big jar? But I mean, if you're just kind of giving out little gifts, then the little jars are perfect. And there you have it. Okay. So when you're serving this, actually, let's say when you're giving this as a gift, it's really nice if you give it with like a bottle of wine, a bottle of cranberry juice, a jug of apple juice. You can get really nice ones in like glass jars. And that makes a really nice gift. They already have the thing they're going to put it in. And then when you're packaging this up, a nice little ribbon, maybe some Christmas decoration, and of course make a little label and explain what you're supposed to do with it. So I'll take a picture of that once I have that all done so that you know what I'm talking about. 1 tablespoon of scoop per 1 quart of liquid. If you wanted it a little bit stronger for like less sweet liquids like a dry wine or cranberry juice because it's kind of tart, you can use a little more, but apple juice, there's a lot of sugar in this. I would not put more than that in it. It's perfect. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe below. We'll be doing more.